Here's a 2017 BMW X3. With its muscle, dashing good looks, and roomy interior, this luxury crossover fuses everyday utility with an elegant demeanor. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM FM HD satellite prep radio, power liftgate, driver memory seats, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.